Hello everyone. Today we have another special guest from Tanzania, Miss Rosemary. Okay. So we are going to ask some few basic questions to her about Rami, about how she finds the company and the quality. Okay. So can you just tell about yourself?
My name is Rosemary. I'm from East Africa, Tanzania.
Okay.
I found you guys on Google. You are doing a very great job on doing marketing. You're trying to use these social networks very well. So far, so good. I have communicated with you guys for so long, almost 2 months. Then I decided to come and pay a visit. You have a very wonderful factory, and I can say your machines are very nice. I have had a very, very wonderful experience. So I would love to welcome other Tanzanians, for whoever is watching this. These guys are trustworthy. You can come and do business with them. They are selling all the processing machines of cashew nuts.
So she is from Tanzania and she is coming here for cashew machines, right? She is from East Africa and Tanzania, and we bring her to one live processing factory around 8 metric ton nearby our factory. So how was the experience?
The experience was more than I imagined because I got to see the machines, how they work, how speed they are, but also the outcome of the product. The quality is good. For example, the cutting machine is fantastic. The new model, the one that you're selling now, it's wonderful. No splitted. It does a very wonderful job. So I would advise whoever is dealing with cashew nut to upgrade themselves by buying the new cutting machine. Yeah, the one that you're selling. It's the best vision. Yeah.
Okay, so she is saying if you are doing a manually semi-automatic, you can upgrade with our machine. Our machine is a Vietnam-based technology. She has seen the live processing and she is now planning to buy for herself also. Okay, and another thing, what is about quality and you see the factories and the staff about Rami International.
You're so generous.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love your hospitality. I love my friend here, Mr. Big Boss. So you guys are so cool. I felt welcomed. I felt at home. For sure, everything was perfect. And
anyone in Tanzania, if they don't come here, but without coming here, online also they can trust us.
yeah, sure, you can be trusted because I've also heard about you from friends
Okay.
who have purchased few machines from you without even coming here.
Yes.
For me, it was more like building a connection and trust between the two of us because I'm also looking forward to work with Indians.
Right.
Yeah, so it's not must for them to come, but they can also trust you
Yeah.
and do business with you.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you.
simple.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So including her, there are total 3 customers in her group. They have bought with Rami. 2 of them, they didn't pay a visit. They just buy online. She came here to see the factory and to see the live processing and to understand how we are working. So I also welcome all Tanzanian customer and African customer. You can pay the visit to Rami International. We will bring you to a live processing factory. We will teach you how to process with minimum labor, with minimum split and uncut ratio. So thank you very much once again, and thank you very much to joining with Rami International.
Thank you. Thank you very much.